If your Gimp interface looks messy, panels are missing, tool options are acting strange, or you just want to go back to the original default layout, this video will show you exactly how to reset the Gimp user interface step by step. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and how-to guides. Let's start with the fastest way to fix the layout. Open Gimp, then go to the top menu bar and click Edit. On a Mac, you may see Gimp in the top menu instead. From there, click Preferences. This is where Gimp keeps all of the settings for the window layout, tool behavior, and interface preferences. Once the Preferences window opens, look at the sidebar on the left. You'll see several categories, but for now, click on Window Management. This section controls how Gimp remembers the position and size of your windows, docks, and panels. If you move things around and want to put everything back where it started, this is the section you need. Now look for the button that says Reset Saved Window Positions to Default Values. Click that button. This tells Gimp to forget your saved window layout and restore the default arrangement the next time the program loads. After clicking it, press OK to save the change. If your issue is not just with the layout, but also with brushes, opacity settings, dynamics, or other tool behavior, you should reset the tool options too. While you're still in the Preferences window, go back to the left sidebar and click Tool Options. This area stores the saved default settings for many of the tools you use inside Gimp. Here, click the button labelled Reset Saved Tool Options to Default Values. This is very helpful if your tools are behaving unexpectedly or if previous custom settings are causing problems. After clicking it, press OK again to confirm the change. At this point, you might expect the interface to change right away, but Gimp usually needs a restart before the reset fully takes effect. So the next step is very important. Close Gimp completely. Make sure the application is fully shut down, not just minimized or left running in the background. Then reopen Gimp. When Gimp starts back up, it should load with the original default user interface layout. Your panels, docks, and tool settings should now be restored to the factory-style configuration, which makes it much easier to get back to a clean workspace. If your interface still looks off after restarting, it may mean that some windows were restored from a previous session. So try closing Gimp again and reopening it one more time. In most cases though, the reset will work right away after the restart. So to recap, go to Edit, open Preferences, reset the saved window positions under Window Management, reset the saved tool options under Tool Options, click OK, and then restart Gimp. That's the full process to reset the Gimp UI safely and quickly. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Gimp tutorials and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.